institutions. Myself Jasmine from class 6. I am studying in the Green Garden School near Hachkondanahalli, Valapura. My topic is growing to know plants in the subject of science. Let's go ahead. So, let's know about parts of a plant. In parts of a plant there are two systems. One is shoot system and one is root system. Shoot system. The part of the plant that appears above the ground level is called as shoot system. There are some examples like flower, which helps in reproduction. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Fruit protects the seeds. Stem supports the plant. When it comes to root system, the part of the plant which has underneath the soil is called as root system. In root system there is a root which absorbs water and minerals. Today our topic is leaf and its function. Leaf. A leaf is a principal lateral appendage of the vascular plant stem, usually borne above ground and specialized for photosynthesis. Now let's know some parts of leaf. First, leaf blade or lamina. We can see over here lamina. Now let's know some points about lamina. A flat green part of a leaf is called as leaf blade or lamina. It is generally thin and expands structure. It receives maximum sunlight and prepares food in the process of photosynthesis. Now, second, veins. We can see here many lines. These are called as veins. Veins further divided into veinlets. This leaf is divided many lines is called as veins. Veins conduct water to the leaves and transport to prepare food from the leaves to the other part of the plant. So, it prepares food and it passes through the stem for another part of the plants. Third, petiole. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is known as petiole. We can see over here a part which is attaching to the stem. This is called as petiole. The petiole extends in the leaf plate as a midrib join the leaf in the stem. Let's know about midrib. A prominent line in the middle of the leaf is known as midrib. We can see here a line passing through a leaf. So that is called as midrib. Leaf base. Leaf base is a basal part of the leaf through which leaf is attached to the stem. Leaf base. This is the leaf base which is attached to the stem. Now let's study about venations. In venations there are two types. One is reticulate venations and one is parallel venation. What is venation? A design made by veins in a leaf is called as leaf venations. So let's get some examples about reticulate venation. Mango, banyan, mustard. These leaves have reticulate venation. When it comes to parallel venation, wheat, palm, banana have parallel venation. Yeah, let's know about jackfruit leaf structure. There is a blade and there are two types of blade. In apical part we can see apex, margin. In basal part we can see vein, basal, base. And we can see here petiole and stipple. Now we can see the structure of banana leaf and jackfruit leaf. In banana leaf we have lamina, midrib and petiole. While it comes to jackfruit leaf we have lamina, petiole as well as stem. So this is the structure of banana plant. We can see fruits, leaves having parallel venations. We can see over here. So this is about banana tree with leaves. And this is jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree we can see fruits, and here around the trees we can see many leaves over here. And comes to leaf. Importance of leaf. So in leaf, water enters through the stem and it gives food from the leaf to other parts by stem, and it takes carbon dioxide and it gives us oxygen and serves sunlight. This is a life cycle of living things. Now I'm going to say one small quotation about trees. Don't destroy the greenery and don't spoil the scenery. These words were said by Mr. Sundarlal Bahuganu. Don't cut me with an axe, I too feel pain. I am your friend, I bring you fresh air, I bring you water. I always bow down before you. Why do you cut me down? Now let's know some importance of trees which it gives us, like construction materials, medicines, paper, biofuel, clothing, instruments, toys, wine and beer, crop, chemicals, fibers and oxygen. These are the some things which are given by plants. So these are my plants which I planted in my house, and I like greenery and I love my plants. So thank you, and I thankful very much to my dear class teacher Miss Sunita ma'am and Mr. Chandan sir give me this opportunity on this day to do this activity. Thank you. Dear friends and the people who are watching my video, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get more notifications from our channel. Thank you.